Hello, my name is Alexey. In previous video lessons, we create a responsive multi-language online store from scratch and upload it on the hosting. During the video lessons, we work with many objects, but not all of them were considered. I have been using website X5 since 2010. During this time, I buy several paid objects. You can find this object on website X5 Marketplace. Here is its address. Here are some objects. In this video tutorial, we will work with image objects. Here are 3 image objects: animated image, image zoom, and before-after comparison. As you can see, this 2 is paid and this is free. Let's start with animated image. I already prepare some pages. Already bought it. Here is our image object, and here is animated image. I already prepared some images. Let's insert first one. For example, this. Let's change the size. Add some text. We can change its color. Here is the button. Let's change its label. Also change the link. Let it be pizza order. Also, we can change final image. And now let's see. We can click on it and go to this page. I will copy this object, pass it here, and, for example, change the picture. Let's see different options. Here is some text. We can change its size. We can change font type, its color. I won't do that, but let's see some effects. Let it be on mouse over. Let's change, for example, for zoom. And let's see the result. I will copy this object and just change the image. I change all images. Let's see what we've got now. Also, we can see it on mobile device. And on the desktop. And now let's look at before-after comparison object. It's free. So we need to set 2 images. For example, before and after. And we can change the position of this line and see before and after. Also, we can change style. Let's create another object. Set before and after. It's more interesting. For example, this is image before and this is image after our work. Let's look at image zoom object. We can scroll our mouse. Here we can see other images, zoom in, zoom out. Let's change its position. Also, there is some effects. We can disable showing thumbnails. Here is our online store page from previous video tutorials. Here is standard image object from main object of website X5. Let's change it to zoom object. Here is this page. Fiorentina V. This is standard object. I will create one more row and insert it here, just for example. Here we can insert image zoom, add some pictures, and let's now see this page in our test site. So here is the standard object, and here is our zoom image object. Now you can compare these objects and decide which is better. In the following video tutorials, we will look at additional objects for website X5.